I kid you not, we're still within Greenwich Palace place. Look what's here. And look what somebody is about to do.
This is made of wood.
It's made of wood.
And it looks like
Okay.
bowling, but it's actually skittles.
It's called Skittles, and then it became 10-pin bowling. Okay, what's going to happen here? Honey, don't concentrate on the camera. I mean, Lord, it's not even going to halfway look. Oh my word. Okay, one more. Well, at least this way, if you don't knock any over, then you don't have to go down there and pick them up. Because this doesn't have the automatic, machine to pick them up again. Obviously, this was 200 years ago, or whenever.
Rubbish.
Okay, well you got some more there. 0 out of 2 so far.
Can I do it this way?
Oh, she's gonna do it. Look at this. Well done, everything but one. That's really good. Okay, I got one more. Oh well. Now she's got to go down and pick him up again.